Botany, Ecophysiology, and MCA, MA English, B.Ed and M.Ed. I'm so much qualified, and my students have been selected in PCS and IAS and NEET both. And I was a formerly lecturer. Then I became principal in Mathura. Now I have been retired and giving the different types of topics. First is birth control. This control method yet would birth control means act by preventing the one of the more of the three major steps in the reproductive success. First, presenting sperm. Let this पढ़ूंगा ना सुनो साथ साथ sperm by following methods them and preventing implantation of early embryo in this method. Number one, temporary method of birth control. First is natural method, periodic or rhythm method, or temporary evidence of sex. It contains the following steps. Number one, the ovulation occurs in short time in the 10th day of the menses. Second ovum produce for period of 1 to 2 days. Then sperms are survived for 1 day. Affecting of the help method in the present the following method. It is first coitus interruptus. In coitus interruptus, it involves the condoms in the penis, and the penis remains to the outside, and the vagina does not conceive any sperms. Method is really effective, and because state of ejaculation is very pleasure. Next method is emotional amenorrhea, IAN. In this method, in the menses it stops and the egg is not formed. In this method, the copulation does not take place, and the penis remains to the outside, and vagina does not conceive any sperms. Emotional amenorrhea birth control, it is a very natural method, and generally when the lady is giving milk to the baby, then it does not take place because in this method the progesterone estrogen does not formed. Second is barrier method. In this method, sperm do not reach into the vagina, and it does prevent fertilization. In this method, the following steps are used. First is condom. Condoms are made of either rubber or latex, and the male organs does not reach in the cervix does reach, but it does not give sperm, and condoms are generally used. Diaphragm, cervical caps, and volts are also methods of to check the birth control. These are the also called rubber method instead of reproductive control, and cover the cervix before penis. Intercourse, they prevent fertilization by blocking the entry of sperms, and sperms does not reach into the cervix. Second is diaphragm. Diaphragm, you are looking in this diagram, ये diaphragm है. Diaphragm, a miniature diaphragm that covers the varix shortly, and it prevents sperms into the reaching into the egg and holds spermicide. There is no method to reach the sperm in the inside. Next is volt cap. It is a hemisphere structure, and it is made of plastic or rubber, and it does not give the sperm into the sperm is prohibited. You are looking this is rubber, made of rubber of condoms. It is female, it is male condom. It is diaphragm, it is cervical cap, it is vault. Next method is chemical methods for epidermis of spermicides. In this chemical method, tablet, cream, jellies and pastes are used. Just like today, a made of potassium permanganate, that is Delphine is the also tablet for the form of cream, and it is used for birth control. Next method is intrauterine devices IUD. IUD means जो यूट्राइन में इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, they are very effective, and the doctors, experts or nurses, they enters in the uterus these things. First is IUD non-medicated. It is made of copper and it is also cooperative, and it releases a hormone IUD that is called LNG20, and the fertilizing of capacity of sperms. The hormone releasing IUD, male and the unsuitable, and the implementation and the cervix hostile to the sperms. Next method is same method of the IUD is their presence act as a superior method for the sperms. Their spontaneous there is it can cause industrial in vaginal bleeding. Next, risk of performance of steps and tubular pregnancy may take place in the fallopian tube. They can cause success, but no shedding. The penis does not shed sperms. Next is oral contraceptive or oral pills. They are very important. Generally, they are taken daily for 21 days, among within the 1 day of menstrual cycle. After a gap of 7 days, during this menstruation occur has to be repeated. They include ovulation and implantation, and pills are very effective with these effects. Next is hormonal pills are as following: inhibition of ovulation करते हैं, inhibition of motility of the sperms and changes in cervical, and alternation of sperms to take it implementation. Types of oral contraceptive, they contain generally progestin, but they may be of the following types, just like many pills. Many pills have been prepared, and it is known as for the known as like Saheli, and it is taken by the female for it control. It was prepared in Lucknow by CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. Next is combined pills. They are They are oral contraceptive pills. They contain synthetic progesterone or estrogen for check ovulation. Pills Malardi and Malayan are the example of this. And oral contraceptive pills expresses the risk of intravascular clotting. Therefore, that is not so used within it and may cause heart disease. Next is subcutaneous implements. Subcutaneous implements. In this, the hormone is given below the skin and by an injection method. Progesterone is given, and subcutaneous implement is very important. It is very safe, and it can taken for 5 years. It means you can use for 5 years. Next is it is relative hormone injection. Hormone injection are given every 3 months. That releases a hormone slowly and prevents the pregnancy. They are invented and highly effective with no serious side effects. There is no occasional menstrual bleeding. Next is morning after pills. The implementation can also be checked by also morning methods. This is known as emergency contraceptive. The first sperm is actually is given in the morning and a protected sexual intercourse, just like pill 72 and pill 100. Next method is very important because it is a birth control. It is a very important method of birth control. First is sterilization or surgical method. Surgical method can be done into male and female both. In the male, the vast difference from the testis, it is cut between the vas deferens and it is tied up. It is called vasectomy. And in females, the fallopian tubes are cut and they are tied up with a thread, and it is called vasectomy in females. Vasectomy in male, it is very important, and tubectomy is also very important. While in vasectomy, female fertilization tubectomy, it is taken place. Now I am teaching you inequality of sexes. The chromosome gametes with 4 chromosome fertilization, children with sex chromosome. Female contain XX, male contain XY. 12 मिनट होली बंद कर दूँ?
बोलो शेयर कमेंट करना प्लीज।
सी कमेंट करना प्लीज़। आपको कैसा लगा? कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताना। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड कैन बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन। थैंक यू एंड प्लीज़ गिव मी सजेशन फर्दर। आई विल टीच यू रेगुलरली।
कमेंट लाइक शेयर करना ना भूले। दवा का कमेंट करो भाई।